Two, one, action.
Hi guys, I have the power of Ultra in my hands. S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, and now the S23 Ultra, 200 megapixel powerhouse of machine, and we're going to use this to its full potential 512 GB variant. And let's unbox this now. First unboxing right from the store, Reliance store, and a friend of mine helped me get the best deal here. So here we go. So here it is in all its matchless glory. This is the matte black. Always have the black color. It looks absolutely stunning and super premium satin black finish. And man, look at the camera rings. So you're gonna get all the footage right out of this in the coming vlogs. So stay tuned. Thanks to the Reliance team, Reliance AS Rao Nagar, for giving us the best deal possible. And yeah, let's carry on. What else? Nothing else in this. Charger भी अपने को खरीदना पड़ता पैसे देके और कुछ नहीं सिर्फ only paper work. But still, this thing is worth the money, is what I feel, and I'm sure it's not going to make me regret buying this. So guys, first power up. खुल जा सिंसिन. Boot up.
First boot up is gonna take time.
It's taking a little more time than usual. There it goes.
It's actually fast, Anna.
That's pretty good. Okay. We're going to complete the formalities and get back. Okay guys, so now that you've seen the unboxing, here is the phone in all its matchless glory. Now why did I end up purchasing the S23 Ultra all of a sudden? Because I have a thing for the Samsung flagships. First thing, it does it all for me, be it Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. You have the power of Ultra in your hands that seamlessly captures everything in the most vivid form and in the most beautiful way. You don't need extra color grading, you don't have to spend some time editing. You just need to capture it and upload it on Instagram, and it's there. And people like it. It's bright, it's vivid, it has very good clarity, very good depth, and very good color science. So this one, S23 Ultra, why did I buy when I already have an S22 Ultra and an S21 Ultra? Well, the reason is, first thing, I was running out of storage on the S22 Ultra, and 256 is not enough. 256 GB of storage is not enough for a content creator who creates on the go almost on a day-to-day basis. And when we first looked at the S23 Ultra when it was launched, there was not much of hype because the design factor was more or less the same. They fine-tuned it, they made it look even more seamless and better and beautiful than before. The camera rings look absolutely super premium, and the matte black looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? So this is my personal favorite color, and this is the 512 GB variant. Now the things to note for any mobile when you're buying are three things. First is the display, second are the cameras, and third is the battery backup. So first, looking at the display. Now the display comes with 1750 nits of peak brightness. So that's the claim from Samsung, 1750 nits peak brightness for this. And it's absolutely super crisp display, and even under broad daylight you can have a clear look at what you're looking at. Then comes the cameras. So the cameras, you get 200 megapixel main camera this time around. So that itself gives a lot of depth, lot of this thing detail to play around with. If you want to crop, if you want to edit, color grade, you can do whatever you want. And they've used pixel binning to offer more light, more clarity, more depth, and offer crisp images with the pixel binning technology. And now the camera is the second thing. You have ultra wide, you have the main camera, and you have telephoto, and they do it all for you, be it the portrait shots, be it the tracking shots, be it the reels or shorts, YouTube shorts, anything you want to shoot, you can shoot it because you have the phone with you. The portability, the capability to capture anything you want anywhere you want is what adds on to the as a major plus point when you have a powerful camera on your mobile or in your mobile. And then finally you have battery backup. Now the 5000 milliamp hour battery, again battery optimization is perfectly done such that it lasts you an entire day, especially a continuous user like me who's always online, updating my Instagram, updating my other social media profiles, and shooting on the go. Majority of the shooting is done with this the Samsung flagships that I have, and cinematics are done using my Sony mirrorless camera. So this is the secret that is out now. But yeah, so 1,34,500 for this one, 512 GB variant, and yeah, you can get a good deal depending on how you can bargain at your local store or outlet, and there are some offers running on Samsung store as well. But the thing is, this thing is a powerhouse, absolute powerhouse for creators. You have the S Pen as well, that again, once you start using it, get a hang of using it, it just I just hope I can flip it around, but you can just type anything you want, save anything you want, and this thing is an absolute joy once you start playing around with the S Pen and the limitless possibilities of editing, especially when you're editing photos or yeah, pictures. That's where the S Pen helps you, fine tune your image to the pinpoint detail and precision. So that's pretty much it. This is the reason I just bought it, because first thing, it has a 512 GB memory, so it's going to last me at least a year and a half, and rock solid performance. It gets the latest and the greatest from Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So that's a powerhouse of a chipset to give you more processing, better software optimization, better battery optimization, and better performance overall. So I don't regret buying this. I'm sure it's going to give me all the deliverables that I come expecting out of it. I mean, it's going to deliver on all fronts that I put my trust in it. I choose to put my trust in it, and it's not going to let me down because it hasn't in the past either. But this is just a quick kind of overview of a YouTuber trying to vlog on the go, trying to stay updated on the go, or trying to update his social media profiles on the go using the Samsung flagships, and they have not let me down in the past. I don't think they will in the future. So that's the reason I just bought it. I've just justified it as well as to why I picked it up all of a sudden, because sometimes in life you got to pick up what you want when it is available, rather than miss it once it's gone. And sometimes in life you have to make those split second decisions as well to progress and move to another level, and I'm sure this thing is going to help me do that. Thanks for watching. This is a quick fire personal update from my life. It's like a life vlog or something, you can take it. And I'm reporting from the hotel where I'm residing now, Hotel W, and I'm here for the Nexa Franks drive experience, media drive experience, and that's going to happen tomorrow. For now, it's all chill. This is the shirt that they've given me. It looks nice and bright and white. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you like more such snippets from my daily life, please do comment below as to what kind of challenges I faced, how I try to overcome them as a creator. If you want these live updates as a vlog, live blog, you can comment below and let me know, and I'll try to capture more such real life things as they happen in my life with you guys, because you are my support system. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.